You guys, happy Tuesday. Dreaming of the Mind Mechanic out of Taos, New Mexico. And I'm hoping that you all are getting a little bit jazzed about the chronic negativity and its impact on relationships lecture that I'm going to be hosting at the Espresso Bar here in Taos, New Mexico at the Taos Valley Lodge at 3 p.m. on March 26th, which is this coming Sunday. And the reason that I am looking forward to seeing as many of your bright, shiny faces as possible is because this topic impacts so many of us, whether we choose to reflect on it or not. And one of the main reasons that I am excited about hosting this is because so many people continuously move through relationships of all types, intimate, familial, professional, and the impact and the effect of how chronic negativity impacts our overall wellness, our happiness, our sanity is so significant. And there are so many little things that people don't acknowledge as being an issue, and so many times when people don't use their words or speak and instead just exist within relationships, and then those relationships begin to deteriorate and hurdles and obstacles become mountains, and then these relationships just begin to fade away and become insignificant or less pleasant. And when we love people, that is one of the most devastating things that any of us can experience when we want to love the ones that we love. So I hope to see you all and to sit with you all and to share sacred space together as you all kind of sit and reflect on how impactful chronic negativity is within your relationships, what you can do to be less chronically negative, and or how to actually cope and deal with those that you love who may or may not realize that they are chronically negative. So on that note, you guys, I love you and I hope you have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Cheers.